Public urged to keep away from UK holiday destinations. Would-be tourists are being urged to avoid beaches and other holiday destinations in the UK to limit the spread of coronavirus. And the National Trust has closed its parks and gardens as of midnight on Saturday night, in fear of crowds attending them on Sunday for Mother's Day. The moves come as tourist destinations and parks continue to draw crowds on Saturday, despite government advice for people to avoid non-essential travel amid the worsening Covid-19 crisis. Cumbria Police said on Saturday that the Lake District and other tourist attractions were experiencing an influx of visitors. The force has now urged people from outside its county to keep away, saying the Lake District is no longer conducting business as usual, with pubs, restaurants and attractions advised to close. Whilst we are looking at all measures to limit the spread of the Covid-19 coronavirus, I must urge people living outside the county not to visit, Cumbria Police's Assistant Chief Constable Andrew Slattery said in a statement. A national emergency shutdown of businesses and schools is not an excuse for a holiday. West Wittering Beach in Chichester, southeast England, closed to the public on Saturday after the number of visitors far exceeded expectations, the estate owners said. And the Visit Cornwall Tourist Board published a statement on Friday asking people to postpone their visits to a later date despite the lack of clarity from government around the situation. The National Trust's decision to close its parks and gardens followed the shuttering of houses, cafes and shops belonging to the charity earlier this week. But following Boris Johnson's announcement on Friday that all pubs, clubs and restaurants would be closed, the Trust has ramped up precautions.